I can't see it.
Okay, hang on here. Wait. You cannot even see outside. That's how bad it's raining. Okay, close it. There's too much coming in.
Camera's all wet now.
The wind gets really bad on a window like that. You probably don't stand on in case a piece of sheet metal flies off the building.
Well, maybe, and then you should probably just do this.
No, it ain't gonna help much.
Safest place, you can't go in the buildings.
Ma's coming over. Open the door.
I'm scared. Ow. I couldn't sit there no more. I'm like, I'm going over there. I don't want to.
Weather channel went out.
With my family.
You can't even see it.
Did you go out? You're going to get all wet. I said, I'll be okay. And I opened the door and I went, oh, I guess I'm staying. And I sat down. I heard the hail start coming. And the wind, I mean, you can't hardly see nothing back here anymore.
It just got here now.
It's just, I started going.
You want to go watch from the door over in the shed?
Can't even watch over there.
Making this camper like crazy.
Oh, you can't even see out over here. We got hail.
What are you doing up there?
Oh, you know, kids. Place these campers.
Hey, Candy, who's that?
Well, don't even try. We'll just turn it off. Dad, should we maybe go inside the building? Because this isn't even the pink part yet, and this is getting bad. I saw it just before it went out. We were just getting the yellow. Well, I don't want to go in alone.
You can.
Something at the side.
You get wet.
Yes, you can't even see nothing anymore, John. I mean, I don't know.
It works, but they're not really. Some stations.
Well, are you on 550?
Static. They were just saying it's a supercell and
What does that look like?
the TV went out.
I don't know what did it look like.
It was
Before
just
the
getting
pink
here.
came.
It's not. It was just getting here when it went out. Seems like it's getting lighter out.
Just from running from her door to my door, I got drenched.
I unlocked it, but you can't unlock it and lock it. Stop it. I unlocked it, but you can't. I didn't